They don't care about your feelings. They don't care about your pain. They only care about one thing: power. These people walk among us. You shake their hands. You might even love them. But if you knew what they were thinking, you would run. Narcissism, Machiavellianism, psychopathy. Together they form the dark triad, the most dangerous minds in human psychology. We like to think the evil ones are easy to creepy, obvious, deranged. But the most dangerous humans are often the ones who seem the most normal. They smile, compliment you, earn your trust, then take everything. The truth is, some people wear empathy like a costume, and they are better at being human than most humans. Let us understand that by two stories. First, Ted Bundy, the charming killer. Ted Bundy was attractive, articulate, well dressed. Women loved him. He was working at a suicide prevention hotline. People trusted him. He also murdered over 30 women, calmly, methodically, and without a remorse. This is the paradox. The more charming they are, the more dangerous they may be. Bundy was a case study in the dark triad. He manipulated, lied, seduced, and destroyed, all with a smile. Second, the cult of Jim Jones. Jim Jones built a church, promised equality, preached justice. Thousands followed him. But by 1978, he led over 900 people into the jungle and convinced them to drink poison, even their children. Why? Because Jim Jones understood control. He used the dark triad to create a cult of obedience. He was narcissistic, needing worship, Machiavellian, manipulating fate, psychopathic, showing no guilt as they died. That's the important part. It worked. So you might be thinking, what is the dark triad? The dark triad is not a mental illness, it's a personality structure. Cold, calculated, lethal in the wrong hands. Let's break them down. First, narcissism. They crave admiration. They see themselves as superior. They're addicted to validation. But deep down, there's a black hole of emptiness they're desperately trying to fill. And if you stop giving them attention, they punish you emotionally, socially, psychologically. Second, Machiavellianism. Named after Niccolo Machiavelli, the strategist. These people manipulate. Everything is a chessboard for them. They calculate every move. Every relationship is a transaction for them. They don't lie impulsively, they lie strategically. Third, psychopathy. The darkest of the three. No empathy, no guilt, no concern. They can watch suffering and feel nothing, or worse, enjoy. These are the ones who hurt children as animals, laugh during interrogations, or commit atrocities and then sleep like a baby. You did think these people would be rejected, but often they rise. The CEOs, politicians, celebrities, the system rewards confidence, charm, ruthlessness. And who fakes those better than the dark triad mind? In corporate boardrooms, their cold decisions look like tough leadership. In relationships, their manipulation looks like high standards. In social media, their narcissism is viral. This is the dark truth. Society often rewards the predator and punishes the empath. So, let me ask you, have you ever lied to get ahead, flattered someone just to use them, felt nothing when someone you disliked failed? That's not psychopath, but it is the shadow, the part of you that could, if left unchecked, become the thing you hate. Carl Jung called it the shadow self. He said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. Awareness isn't enough. You need discipline, you need morality. You need to choose the light every single day. So, here is some wisdom for you. Weak men become victims, strong men train their minds. The dark triad thrives on weakness, on people who lack boundaries, who can't say no, who crave approval. Robert Greene famously wrote, always say less than necessary. Power thrives in silence. The dark triad knows this. They never shout, they whisper. And by the time you notice, it's too late. You are not helpless, you are not prey, but only if you train your mind. You must master your ego, detect manipulation early, be cold when needed, but never cruel. Stay in control always. Because this world is not run by the best, it's often run by the boldest. And the boldest are sometimes the darkest. You have just seen the dark triad. You now know their game. The question is, will you become a master of your mind or will someone else do it for you? So I will end you with this. Watch your back and train your spirit.